What is up? What's up, y'all? How are y'all doing today? Today's a very nice day and today's gonna be crazy, bro. Because I'm meeting a special guest. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna be meeting a special guest. Welcome to a new vlog. It's gonna be too good today. Make sure to stick to the end and subscribe and leave a like. See y'all later, bro. I'm getting late, so I gotta leave now. So, bye bye. Suzia, bro. What's up? Suzia, bro.
Oh shit, that was the only time. Yo, it's crazy how we're seeing you in live stream and in real life, bro. You're with him, bro. Yes, sir. Life with Akshay, bro. Yes, sir. Okay, we're in Paris Panini right now.
You know, I'm currently on like 1 week break.
Oh yeah, I wanna ask about that. Why? What happened?
I
Viewers
really
wanna know.
I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm like super burnt out. I just go live and I don't know what to do. And if I give my actual insight, I'm going completely broke recording these videos.
But I feel you, bro.
After minusing all the bill payments and everything, I'm putting almost everything in the video and I'm almost broke. This month I'm like extremely broke.
Oh
really
shit.
broke.
Don't worry, I feel you, bro. That's actually true. I did Prime and Feastables and that costed me like 700
Yeah.
for 2 videos.
Yeah.
And so Prime it's not worth it, bro. I know how it feels.
Now
bro.
imagine doing that every single day.
Yeah.
It racks up.
The noodles, Doritos.
Those
and shit.
things like rack up.
Yeah.
That Doritos video itself was like 250 or 300. All the
Oh
Doritos.
my god. Oh damn, bro. But we're here now. We're gonna do some review of Paris Panini with Pizza Bakery.
Yep.
So,
Yeah.
are you better than me in Valorant, bro?
Yeah.
Huh?
obviously.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, maybe not Valorant, but other
Okay,
games.
Counter Strike I beat you as in.
No.
I beat you as in Counter
Okay,
Strike.
so the thing is, these shooters, right, like Counter Strike, Valorant, and everything, I get super nervous. I get like jump scares, super nervous. I get shaky aim.
Nah, excusing, bro. You suck. You suck, bro. You suck.
But if you put me in like Battle Royale or any other RPG game,
I suck at Battle
I'll cook
Royale.
you.
I suck at Battle Royale, yeah.
Because those games, shaky aim doesn't matter. In this, it should be extremely precise.
What, in Battle Royale?
No, in the Valorant.
Yeah, well, I was gonna shit on you if you say Battle Royale, but Battle Royale is nothing.
Battle Royale, you can just shoot anyway.
It's all tryhards, bro.
So let's say someone peeks me from the corner, okay, and I get jump scared. The whole thing is cooked.
That's the thing about the games. That's the skill level.
I don't have
Nah, you
that.
suck at it. You suck
But
at
I
it.
can
You suck
do-
at it. You suck at
Nah,
it.
shut up.
You suck at it.
You can just keep it rolling. And
What the
everything. Have you had salads? I love salad.
You know the best Caesar I've tried is truffles, bro.
But the thing about Caesar salads are,
Yeah.
these are not like actual Caesar salads. Caesar salad is made with olive oil. And
Oh yeah. That. I wanted the authentic. Is this authentic? It looks damn good though.
It looks good.
Yeah. Finished recording his reels. Now I'm eating my panini and that.
How's that?
This shit is so good, bro.
Damn.
What do you think about the salad?
Salad, I've had so many salads before, but this one is really good.
Yeah, even this slaps. Everything slaps, bro. Dead ass like.
I think they should sponsor us, right? By now.
They should probably be doing free promo for nothing.
We're gonna get there.
Yeah, someday. One day. Not
One
someday.
day.
One day.
One day.
Yeah. I probably just left Paris Panini now and we're heading nowhere. we're just walking around.
We're heading to McDonald's.
Oh, yeah.
Popeyes.
We're gonna do Popeyes versus McDonald's fries. And seems
And
better.
bro, that tiramisu was trash.
That tiramisu was ass, bro. What the fuck is that? I swear to
I
God.
took like one bite of it.
Yeah.
And that's why I didn't give any reviews because I thought that's how it's supposed to taste.
Yeah.
And he tasted it and it's like, oh my god, that tastes trash. I was like, okay, if it tastes trash.
Okay, so he doesn't like sweet, okay? So
Yeah.
I have tasted sweet before.
Yeah.
But that tiramisu was, bro, it's supposed to be hard, but it was dripping, bro. Like what the fuck? No, it was like water. It was like water. Oh, no. I like something else drippy, bro. Oh. Putting it.
What? What did you say?
Nothing, bro.
Bro, literally.
Don't worry about it, bro. You're not gonna worry about it. You're not gonna worry about it.
My YouTube.
Yeah, bro.
Why?
I wanna check something, bro.
Wait.
You stupid. I wanna check something, bro. Go ahead. You can open it. Alright,
Yeah.
go to my channel, bro. Ultimate Test, bro. Phoenix Official. Go for it. Oh, nice. He's gonna get caught now.
No.
PHYNX Official. Oh, nah. I swear to. You piece of shit. You haven't unsubscribed.
I have like multiple accounts, bro. I think I've seen your videos.
Yeah.
I've seen your video.
Bro, you know way. Kunafa world.
Yeah.
Bro, we were just talking about the Kunafa chocolate and you just saw it
that's
right there, bro.
literally everything, bro. Whatever you can think of. And by the way, this is modern India. Whatever you guys see on YouTube, it's not really like that.
McDonald's right now. Waiting for
I don't
the
work here.
fry.
Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
We got the
We
fries.
literally just got the fries.
Yeah,
Just
just
put
the fries.
in the bag, Lil, bro. Look, I found you. Look, I found your ass.
This guy. This guy.
Look, I found his ass, chat.
So that's me, huh? That's me, huh?
No.
Anyway, we got the fries. Went through 4 mishaps for 1 fries.
What the hell? Anyway, we're gonna compare this
Where's
with
Popeyes?
Popeyes is like cute.
We're gonna go to Popeyes and check out the fries over there, bro. I thought it was behind me and was just waiting there for the fucking traffic. Just come! Just come! Bro, I just walked from thinking he's gonna come here. What the Finally, bro decides to move. Bro finally decided to move, huh?
I mean, you
Hi
can
guys,
jaywalk
we're going to
anyway,
Popeyes with McDonald's badge
Imagine
in
they
there.
kick us out. Because
Yeah,
of that.
imagine, bro. Hold on, let's just check what's it gonna be like. We're in.
Should we get the small one?
Yeah, the
Because
small
it
one.
is way too much in here. It's called Cajun fries.
Oh, there you go.
You wanna do large?
This is the medium, bro.
There's way too much.
Is there a donation? Do not add the donation. Do not add the
Bro,
Alright, but the payment is done, bro. What's the bill?
what the hell?
They didn't give you an order number, nothing. Alright, bro, we just secured the other fries as well. Popeyes. Well, we're already full for meeting Paris Panini. We had like more places to try.
Oh my god, I'm already full, I'm telling you.
Yeah. We have this fries as well now. Video on video on video. We just filmed a bit of.
You gotta eat this whole thing, by the way.
Oh hell
You
no!
choose
By the way, all I'm saying is we had to make a video of eating this McDonald's fries versus Popeyes, and I said the Popeyes one was not that great, and now and now I have to suffer just eating this because it became too soggy. Honestly, this was better
Open
than the
your mouth,
Popeyes
bruh.
one, bro.
Put your tongue out, bruh. Put your tongue out, bruh.
Ah no!
Oh, hell
You're gay as bro. You're gay as bro.
What? What's wrong being gay, bruh?
Are you gay?
Yeah, I am gay. I'm coming out as gay. Officially. Why are you running away, bruh?
Yo, chill out, gang.
Are you homophobic?
Chill out, gang. Now I'm just scared what you're gonna do with your little ding dong.
It's not little, you know that.
It is little. I saw it. It's a little, bro. Little, bro.
You saw it? You saw it?
They're not gonna know.
Yeah,
They're not gonna know, bro.
end that shit. We're gonna post the rest in like OnlyFans.
But yeah, we're filming a video now. We already
We're
filmed
done
2
filming,
videos. Yeah, we already filmed 2 videos and we finished filming this as well. And now I need some water. So, bro, look at that.
Oh my god, there's so much.
After eating that, I deadass need some water, bro. So
There's so much. It's like an infinity black hole
Yeah.
or something. I'm just keep on eating it. What the hell?
fucking
Anyway,
hell,
I
man.
need some Diet Coke and this guy needs some water.
Now I need some Mountain Dew.
Obviously, he can't drink soft drink by the looks of him.
Bro, I had to do it, bro. Okay, I'll take it, bro. I'll take it, bro.
What's your weight, bro?
I'm 81, bro. 82, bro.
Stop lying.
I am, bro. What's your weight, bro?
76, bro.
It's 76?
So stop lying.
I am 82, bro.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
That's
man.
it. So I'm
I'm
giving you a
82,
challenge. By the end of the year, you gotta be below 75.
You know what? I'm already working on the challenge, so you got the deal, bro.
Damn
Nah,
it.
What the fuck?
Damn
Nah,
it.
what the fuck? Hold on.
Oh yeah, there you
Okay,
go.
better.
Better.
You heard it right here. The challenge is on.
Yep.
What are
75
you gonna do if I actually lose 75?
Start drinking a lot of water. Eat one meal.
Get a load of
or
this guy.
max 2 meals a day.
Nah, what are you gonna do if I do hit that goal?
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna give a shout out in my channel.
Oh, nah. You gotta,
Oh my
you gotta,
God.
you gotta flash your dick for me. Only for me though. What are you gonna do? Yeah, you got the deal.
Now, who's asking for it, chat?
I'm asking
Who's
for it.
asking for it?
I'm asking for it. Wait, no, that doesn't mean I'm gay though. I just like.
Who asked for it, bro?
We had to say it,
Who
huh?
asked for it?
Anyway, we're done with this now, so we're
You
gonna
gotta
get
eat
some
the rest
water.
of it. You gotta eat the rest of it, bro.
Yeah, I gotta eat this, and then I'm gonna get some water, and then I don't know. We'll see more, bro. We have to
Yeah,
go to
we gotta-
Pizza
we
Bakery as
gotta-
well. Oh, nah, you ready for that shit, bro?
Oh my god, I'm so cooked already. I don't think I
Yeah,
can do.
but yeah, we're gonna go to some
But
Pizza
we still
Bakery.
got a lot more time.
Yeah, we have a lot of
Currently,
time.
We still
Yeah.
have a lot of time left. Holy unemployment.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go.
Peak.
Peak
See you all, bro.
unemployment.
It sucks at crossing the road, bro. I already crossed the fucking road. What are you doing? Well, you're stuck now. Bro, I just crossed the road and bro just stuck over there. What the again? Oh, nah, he cooked. Come on. Come on, just run. the fuck? You just gotta run, bro. Guys, life with Akshay sucks at crossing the road. This is the proof. He sucks at crossing the road, bro. There you go. Finally.
I thought I was
Finally.
I thought I was cooked for a while. I saw all the traffic
Bro,
coming
why didn't you
this
just
way,
come with me?
and there's
There was no
traffic
fun coming.
this way.
Yeah,
Oh
what
my
the
God.
5 minutes later.
We just came to
I'm super full.
Koreaki right now. We just came here thinking we'll review a nice Korean corn dog, but
It is good.
it looks damn good. But I'm full, bro. I'm so full. Well, get into it, bro. That's all you gotta do now. It does look damn good, though.
Yeah.
Alright
You
then.
wanna just do it here?
Yeah. F it. What else can we do?
Do you wanna do it here?
Hey, yo, chill out. Pause. We just finished another review of the corn dog, and actually, how do you like it?
I mean, the cheese pull and everything was so good.
I've never tried corn dog before, and honestly, this one actually slapped. My first time trying corn dog, just from Koreaki, by the way. So yeah, it's been raining out here. Beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. Such a beautiful weather.
Bro, wish he had a girlfriend, but he's single.
That wasn't even a point, but it's just raining out here.
I mean, wouldn't you guys feel like having your partner out in the rain?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Like, look at that. Imagine this girl you're just sucking you off.
Whoa, okay. Pause right there. Be a bit romantic, bro.
Yeah, holding hands.
Oh, damn.
You sing? Come, bro. Man, he really wants a Diet Coke, bro.
I just want a Diet Coke.
You really want a Diet Coke, bro. We have been roaming for like a lot of time searching for a Diet Coke. No one
has
really
Diet
wants a Diet Coke.
I just want a Diet Coke.
He just said that the first thing he told was, damn, I could really go for a Diet Coke.
That's exactly. Bro, I've been dying for a Diet Coke. Just give me a Diet Coke, man.
You know what? Honestly, because of him, even I'm tempted to drink some Diet Coke right now.
Diet Coke is best. 0 calories, 0 sugar.
It is so. By the way, opinion, I don't give a f what you all think. Coke Zero sucks.
Yeah, Coke Zero.
Coke Zero sucks, bro. The aftertaste of it is ass. Even the taste of it is too sweet. Diet Coke is for the win, bro.
Yes,
That
yes.
I wish there was a Diet Mountain Dew, but
I mean, who cares about Mountain Dew anyway?
I'll beat this guy up, bro. Buy me Kinder Joy, bro.
Oh hell no, I'm just
Buy me
getting Diet
Kinder Joy, buy me Kinder Joy.
Bro, let me just get my Diet Coke and dip.
And I'm getting a monster because I need that energy.
Bro, just
I need
went
that
from
beautiful
saying he wants
energy.
Kinder Joy to getting.
Kinder Joy.
Man, he said he wants Kinder Joy.
But now I'm stick with Monster. Bro finally got his Diet Coke. But I got my Monster. Alright, yo, my hair is completely cooked because of the rain, and the weather is actually beautiful. It is a nice weather. It's like a little bit of blue and cloudy. So it's raining. We are back near the Paris Panini. Don't know why. We just came here. We were just walking here. We didn't have anything to do, and now we're just stuck.
Oh, what the
We have no idea what to do. There were a lot of videos in our mind, but it's raining now, so even that can't be done. But I just don't know what we're gonna do. What do you think we're gonna do?
I have no idea. I'm so full right now.
Oh, that's another thing. We even ate the damn corn dog, bro. Corn dog is.
I'm so full right now.
Yeah, me too, bro.
I haven't been out at all in like last 2 years.
Yeah, my boy.
Me
Touching grass.
for the-
Best grass. Touch the grass. Touch the grass.
This grass.
Touch the grass. Touch the grass.
That's not
Touch the
grass,
damn grass. Whatever the f that is grass, bro.
That's not a grass,
Touch
bro.
the grass. Whatever. Plant. Touch the plant, bro.
Anyway, yeah, I was saying I haven't been out, so this has been a really good
Yeah.
outing.
Yes, sir. I got him out, bro. I got him out.
You made him-
I got him out.
Touch the grass.
I made him. Yeah.
Anyway,
That's a very cute dog, bro. I wanna give him biscuits. I got no biscuits. So what do you wanna go do, bro? You wanna go to Pizza Bakery?
I'm so full.
I can see it by your face, bro.
It's okay, bro.
Oh, nah.
You don't have anything to do.
Aww.
It's a good boy.
I wanna give him a biscuit, bro. Oh, such a cute guy.
He's gonna bite you.
Nice. I know when dogs get aggressive. I have a dog, bro.
You and I.
Oh yeah, even you have a dog. We have his friend. We got his sibling, bro. We got his sibling. We got his relative, bro.
What? Okay, bro.
I'm so cooked right now because I don't know what else to say except for the weather is nice, bro. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh no, it's raining, gang. It's raining. Oh my god. Bro, it's raining again. Guys, I'm gonna touch Life with Akshay right now. I'm gonna touch him.
Okay, gang, chill out. Bro, pause for a second.
Man, what the? Oh yeah. Oh, Namba is walking now. Guys, I'm just gonna secretly jump behind Life with Akshay. I'm just gonna jump on him. Oh, I'm right behind him. I'm gonna jump on him. Bro, what the? I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
A few inches later.
We're just walking and he became our pet. Bro's following us everywhere we go. Look at him. I really want to get him a biscuit, but I don't know where you get a biscuit in this area. We're gonna search for a biscuit and we're gonna feed him. We went all this way to find this one biscuit packet, and bro was following us all the time, and now bro just dipped. We can't find him anywhere. He came till here and he just vanished. Yo, my hair is absolutely cooked because of the rain, but
Bro, look at the hairline. Pull it back, bruh. Pull it back, bruh. You gotta add the flash me. You gotta put that flashbang me.
Kill this dude, bro. Anyway, we are here. By the way, after corn dog, we thought we won't be able to eat anything. We actually can't still, but we're still here in
The place was really good.
look at the place, bro. Gives me the
looks
proper
like a really good
proper
thing.
ratatouille.
The place looks bougie now.
It does look damn bougie. Yeah, we're gonna try to eat the pizza.
I'm so full.
I don't think I can eat this slice, but
I
we gotta
did
do
take
the
a
review.
dump, but I'm still full.
You gotta do the review, bro. Yeah, bro finally took a
I
dump.
took a dump, but still, I'm so full. Right
Yeah, bro finally took a dump. But yeah, we're gonna do some reviews and get the hell out of here, bro, because I cannot eat anything more. But look at this, they gave olive oil, honey. This Italiano pepper spray.
It's not a pepper thing.
I don't give a fuck. It's pepper, bro. This is very Italian,
You know what-
authentic
you
place
know
because
what
they
I
have
want?
sourdough as well here. They have like olive oil and everything. Tabasco has been kept over here. Yeah, we're gonna try the food, see if it's good. Probably just eat one slice and give out the best. I don't know.
I just want to teleport to my home.
Oh,
Bro,
me too,
I don't
bro.
want to travel. I just want to teleport to my home right now.
Bro, I live near to this place and bro lives like double the kilometers of where I live. Yeah, man, you're cooked.
Aha, long
In
way
the
to
rain
go.
as well, by the way.
Yeah.
Jeez, bro. We're gonna do it when the pizza comes in. So, see you until then, bro. So we got the pizza. And I can't help but laugh, but look at the size of that, bro. It looks damn good, though.
It looks good, but it's so big.
It's too fucking like look at the size of my hand on this, bro. All the best. All the best eating that, bro. I ain't eating that. I ain't eating that.
I ain't either.
I deadass didn't think we could finish it, but
And
this
so good.
is my last slice, and they even took the damn pizza. Cause bro, it's
actually good.
honestly that great. I deadass didn't think we could finish this. I thought we'll just eat like a couple of slices and just give it the rest to someone else. This tastes so good that we finished the entire thing, bro. And they even give chili oil as well. It's so damn good, bro. If you guys want to come here, this place is called C Nonnas. Nonnas. So make sure you come for this and try
Wow.
this.
With this, it's
I'm gonna
so
give
good.
it a deadass opinion. Better than Pizza Bakery.
Yep. Yeah.
Actually better than Pizza Bakery. Because I've had Pizza Bakery. I don't know why, it just has a unique sense of that flavor. It's too damn good. And the basil flavor is too good.
It's so good. I don't even eat the crust, but I'm eating the crust as well.
Oh yeah.
So good. With this too, the olive oil and
See,
the
this is the chili
oil.
oil, this is the olive oil.
So good. Damn.
Oh, mad day. Crazy met life with Akshay finally.
Yes, sir.
My camera's lagging as bro. But yeah, we
Anyway,
finally.
super good day. Productive
Yeah.
day.
By the way, this is one of the many collabs we're gonna do. So make sure you subscribe and leave a like and subscribe to Life with Akshay, bro.
Yeah.
Crazy glad. Crazy
Let's
glad.
go.
Crazy
Whoa,
glad.
whoa, whoa.
Crazy glad. Crazy glad.
Wait, why is the camera lagging?
I don't know. Anyway,
Anyway,
peace out, bro.
See you, bro.
Mad time. That's your order.
Damn.
Alright.
bye,
Bye, bro. See you.
Alright yo, what's up? I'm back home, and if you guys enjoyed the video, do subscribe and leave a like, and also turn on the notifications, and do comment what the next video can be. If I collab with Life and Akshay again, we both might record a video which you guys suggest. If it's a very good idea, we'll do it, bro. So make sure you guys subscribe and leave a comment. See you all on the next video, bro.